Alright guys, I owe you the cold start. Now it is 71 degrees, so it's not cold, but it's at least the first out of the day. Proper. There you have it, guys. I'll get some revs later on when I'm Monday off with the DJI and the external mic, so it looks good. Maybe some drive-by stuff. But for now, she sounds good. And usually I know these mufflers break in after a little while and get a little bit louder, so hopefully not too much louder, but good tone. I like it. The video might be a little short, so I'm gonna give you a little something for today. Now that's a cold start.